Got an RMA package here from Corsair, just arrived today. Gonna open it up and see what they've shipped to me. See if it's the same RAM. It's the DDR2 1066 Dominator. 2 times 1 gig. Nice packaging. And look at that. The nice folks at Corsair have given me a 4 gig kit. I sent them a 2 gig kit. One of the modules was not working. They've sent me back, wow, good folks at Corsair. Thank you, Corsair.